Hello students, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.4 class 9 of I have taken from the NCERT. This is question number 4 of exercise 13.4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So let's first of all understand with the help of figure. This is the shape of the sphere. It is, we can make like this only, but the sphere, when we use the word sphere, it is a three-dimensional figure and having all the points that are at the constant distance from the center. Yes, you can imagine just like a cricket ball. This is of the sphere shape. Yes, so any ball that is of the sphere that is round is of a sphere shape. So sphere, when we use the word sphere, it is a three-dimensional figure. Yes, let's make like this so that we can give see the slightly reflection like that. It is a false sphere. So when we have a balloon, according to the question, we have a balloon having the radius 7 cm. Yes, and its balloon, the radius increases. Now it converts to, the radius increases and convert to the 14 cm. Yes, now 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Yes, so we know that we all have seen the balloons. We can increase the size of the balloon and we can decrease by taking out the air also. So when we have according to the question, we have first of all this balloon. When the air is pumped into it, its radius increases and now converted to the 14 cm. In this question, find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. First of all, we have to find out the surface area for this balloon, and then we have to find out the surface areas of this balloon. Now what we have to do, first of all, we need to think about this, how many surfaces we have in a sphere. So if we see in a sphere, only one surface is there, that is the curved one. Yes, so what is the formula for the surface area of the sphere? That is the surface area of sphere, that is equal to 4 pi r square. Yes, so this is the formula for the surface area of the sphere. So first of all, we will find out the surface area for the first case when the radius is 7 cm. So for the first case, surface area of balloon is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is equal to 7 cm. Yes, and the second case, surface area of balloon with increased radius. Yes, so now when the radius is increased, we can represent by 4 capital R square. So here the R is equal to 14 cm. According to the question, find the ratio of the surface area. So we need to find out the ratio. So ratio will equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi capital R square. See, you have observed this, that I have not even put the values right now. Yes, why? Because I want to show you how it will make us easy, since 4 pi is common, so it will cancel out. Now we are left with only the small r square upon the capital R square. Yes, now that is equal to, the small r is, we have a 7 square upon 14 square, that is equal to 7 into 7, 14 into 14, and we can see here 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, and that is equal to 1:4. This is the ratio. Yes, now I hope it is clear. Now come to the fifth question. Now A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter of 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So let's again understand with the help of a figure. Yes, suppose this is hemispherical bowl. Yes. Now, first of all, let's understand the meaning of word hemisphere. Yes, I already told you the sphere, that is of the 3D figure, and we can see just like our cricket ball. Yes, when we cut from the center in a plane and from the center. Yes, so what you can see, you can find out there is a hemispherical bowl. Yes, not we are not using the word bowl. Hemisphere we find out when we cut it. Yes, like this. Yes, so this one the hemisphere and this one is also. Now, as we know that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So surface area of, now we are using the word curved surface area. See, when we use this curve, see this curve, then that is equal to half of this, because it is cut from the center with a plane from the center. So that will be half of this, that will be 2 pi r square. Yes, this one, that is 2 pi r square. But when we find out the total surface area, yes, when we see about the total surface area of sphere, that is equal to, if we see here, this is the curved surface area, and we have find out one more surface, that is on the upper one. Yes, on the we can say the upper one. This is the circular shape, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is equal to 3 pi r square. Yes, so total surface area of sphere is 3 pi r square. Yes, now come to the question. We have a hemispherical bowl made of brass, has inner diameter. This is our bowl. Yes, and the inner diameter, the diameter is given to us, that is 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now, when we want to do tin plating inside, so we will do here this one. Yes, so it means we are using the curved surface area only. Yes, so how we can find out? First of all, we will deal with the curved surface area. Curved surface area of sphere, hemisphere. Okay, sorry, here we need to use hemisphere. Yes, so hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and that will, when I already told you in my previous video, that will come in the surface area, always come in the square unit. Yes, so here the cost is of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. It means 100 centimeter square is of rupees 16. So 1 centimeter square will be of rupees 16 upon 100. We need to use the unitary method. So first of all, put the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square. See, diameter is given, so r is 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2. Why? Because r square is there. Now cost of tin plating inside hemisphere, that will equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2 into 16 upon 100. Yes, here we are using unitary method. See, 100 centimeter square is of rupees 16. So 1 centimeter square will be of rupees 16 upon 100. Now what we have to do? We have to simply solve this. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, and 7 5 is 35. Yes. So now we need to multiply this. We will leave here 100. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Yes. So now simply multiply this, and we will leave here 100 so that it will be easy to put decimal. So after multiplying this, all this, we will get rupees 27.72. Yes, clear? See, this is the sphere, that is the surface area is 4 pi r square. When we cut from the center in a plane, we got the two hemispheres. This is the shape of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere, that I have written by mistake in sphere, that is 2 pi r square. When we use total surface area, we have a circular upper portion surface also there. So that is of the circular shape. That's why we need to add pi r square. So we have total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. And come to the question, that is, we have a hemispherical bowl and having the diameter 10.5 centimeter. We have to find out the cost of tin plating inside this, that is of the rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So cost of tin plating will be the curved surface area into the cost per centimeter square, that is 16 upon 100. And then after calculation, we have got the rupees, that is rupees 27.772. Thank you.